Good morning guys, my name is Hannah K. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to do a tutorial on how to use Canva to create an Instagram post or any social media post. And we are going to start from scratch. You can use Canva to create professional Instagram posts without any experience needed. So here we are. You can use Canva free. You also have Pro, but you can use it free. Sign up and you create your account. It's very easy. Like, subscribe to my channel to get more tutorial video. So first we are going to create a design. You can type in the box Instagram post, but as it is here, just click. On our left hand side, as you can see, we have a lot of templates where we can choose from. We can just select anyone. We can change around the design, the color, image, the text, etc. But today we are going to start from scratch. So we are going to select elements. Today we are going to do like a burger. So as you can see, we are going to select one of our burger. We are going to extend it so it fits screen properly. Here we are going to change the color background. Look a little more pleasant. We are going to use a text or image. Here you have a lot of text, different text you can choose from. But today we are just going to use a head subheading. Let's say whopping. Delicious. We can bold our text, change the color for font to a brighter. We can also change the font. I'm going to use robot. As robot is often using, we can add other stuff, element, other design. We can put our logo. We can also use other things. Okay, for image we also can do transparency, how we allow the image to look. We can also position our image. In Canva we have a lot of features where we can play around. We also can upload our own image, video, audio. Animation, we can allow the image to slide. We can do a lot of things with Canva. In our next lesson, we will teach you how to use Canva to create YouTube thumbnail and other stuff. So like and comment below and let me know what kind of video would you like me to make in my next video. So please guys, subscribe, like, share, and thank you. Stay tuned to my channel for next upcoming videos and how to scale your business and social media. Thank you.